Hello and welcome to another video of Controversial. This is me, your boy Ayman Khan, and today I'm going to be unboxing Walton Toronggo Wi-Fi router. I must admit that the name is quite catchy and impressive. The packaging has been kept simple and minimalistic, while all the specs of the product is written at the sides and at the back of the box. Let's take a quick look at the key features of this router. It has got thunder protection, advanced beamforming technology, high security, and access control, including all the other new features that you expect a router to have these days. I think I should just stop right here and carry on with the unboxing. Just a slight force to pull out the sticker and making my way into the box. Here we go. This is the Toronggo Wi-Fi router. A small but powerful Wi-Fi router that has got two antennas and it's quite compact. Made of plastic, but feels quite premium as you touch it. Okay, now let's see what else is in the box. There's a patch cord, which is the yellow one. It's a Cat5 cable which you will need when you want to connect the router to your PC. And this is a manual which you can read before installing the router and how to access the control panel of the router. I won't be going through all these things right now, but I will be providing a link on the description box. This is the power adapter. Okay, so now back to the main unit. Let me just show you the Lan ports there are at the sides. There are 4 Lan ports and a WAN port, which is the blue one, and a reset button. The back of the router contains some vital information such as MAC address of the router, IP address, and the default username and password for you to access the control panel. There are altogether 8 LED indicators at the side of the router. 4 are for the LAN ports and the remaining 4 are for power, WLAN, WAN, and WPS. So let's not wait any further and power it up. And within moments, all the LED indicators light up. I'll be using the Cat5 cable to connect the router to my PC in order to access the control panel and configure my router. To access your router's control panel, you simply have to go to your browser and type 10.0.0.2. This URL will redirect you to a pop-up window that requires a username and password. The default username is Walton and the default password has been provided at the back of the router. Once you click sign in, you will be redirected to a page that looks something like this. From the drop-down menu at the WAN interface setup, select the option DHCP client. At the wireless basic settings section, provide a name for your router and set up a strong password. And once you're done, click finished and you're good to go. So this was it for today. Thank you for watching the video.